Hello everyone, I'm Sofia. I'm working from Poynting Antennas Europe and I'm visiting the headquarters of Poynting Antennas South Africa. Today I'm going to do the unboxing video for the MIMO-4 antenna. This antenna is a 5-in-1 transportation automotive antenna from 617 to 7200 MHz. I'm going to do the unboxing video for 5-in-1 version. And now I'm going to show you what is inside the box. Okay, so here what we've got when we have the antenna out of the box with the short spigot and the seal. We have another option for spigot mount, and here we have the wall and ball mount, and we have another options in this box here. Let me show you what we have in this little box. Magnetic base adapters, female speakers, wall knocking screws, RP SMA adapters, pipe clamp. Inside the box you can also find the user guide, and thank you very much for your attention.